Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm sharing with you all my recipe for green seasoning. This is just going to make one small batch, but if you wanted to double or triple this recipe you can. Green seasoning is used in most of our cuisines, from curry goat, curry duck, curry chicken, anything curried. Even for when you're seasoning fish or chicken to fry, it's used. It's so versatile and it's our staple when making Caribbean and Trini food. It's also called sofrito in other countries. So let me show you how easy this one is going to be and how delicious it's going to make your food taste when you use it. So to make this, we'll be using a couple ingredients. We're starting with some Chinese celery, or you can use celery, Scotch bonnet pepper, garlic, fine thyme, pudina or Cuban oregano, scallions or saif as we say in Trinidad, banana, shadow Beni, cilantro or recao, and last but not least some pimento peppers, also known as seasoning peppers. Now this makes a small batch, as I said. You guys feel free to double or triple this recipe according to how much you would like to make. I make it fresh weekly, so I always make it in a small amount. So I'm placed everything into my blender, and to that I'm going in with a 1/4 cup of water. You're going to blend it. I'm going for a very fine, smooth consistency. If you wanted to process it in your food processor to more of a chunkier consistency, you can. When you do it this way, it's easy to pour it into some ice trays and freeze it. If you live in the US and it's really hard to find ingredients to make green seasoning, you can now order your green seasoning box from allfromonesupplier.com. I'll leave their website in the description box for you all. Thank you all for joining me today. Do remember to stay safe and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.